Hey everyone, and welcome back to Health with Arshad. Today, we're talking about one of my favorite foods, eggs. They're incredibly versatile and a powerhouse of nutrition. But did you know that certain food pairings can actually turn this superfood into something harmful? Let's dive into food combinations you should absolutely avoid. Let's talk about a breakfast classic, eggs with bacon or sausage. Processed meats like bacon, sausage and ham contain preservatives called nitrates and nitrites. When these preservatives are cooked at high temperatures, they can transform into nitrosamines, known carcinogens. Eggs are rich in choline, essential for brain health, but when choline interacts with nitrosamines, it can lead to TMAO production. Elevated TMAO levels have been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, stroke and dementia. So while tempting, be aware of the potential long-term health risks of this combination. Who can resist a plate of crispy fried potatoes with their sunny side-up eggs? While delicious, this combination is a recipe for inflammation. Deep-fried foods like French fries are typically cooked in unhealthy oils high in trans fats, which increase LDL cholesterol and lower HDL cholesterol. The high heat used in deep frying creates harmful acrylamides linked to an increased risk of cancer. Combining these unhealthy fats and acrylamides with eggs creates a double whammy for inflammation, contributing to heart disease, diabetes, and more. Cheese and eggs are a match made in culinary heaven, but moderation is key. Cheese is high in saturated fat, which can raise LDL cholesterol levels, increasing your risk of heart disease and stroke. Eggs contain cholesterol, and combining them with large amounts of cheese increases your intake of both cholesterol and saturated fat. This can contribute to weight gain, high cholesterol, and cardiovascular problems. Chapter 4. The Veggies Scramble. A powerhouse of nutrition. Let's talk about some incredibly healthy and delicious egg pairings, starting with a vibrant veggies scramble. Use fresh vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, bell peppers and onions. Spinach is packed with vitamins A, C and K, while tomatoes are rich in lycopene and bell peppers are an excellent source of vitamin C. Whisk your eggs with a splash of milk or water for extra fluffiness and season them with herbs and spices for an extra flavor boost. Chapter 5. Avocado and egg toast. Brain-boosting power. This simple yet satisfying combination provides a perfect balance of healthy fats, protein and fiber. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, which help lower LDL cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Eggs are a great source of protein and choline, essential for brain health. Combine avocado and eggs on whole grain toast for a well-rounded meal that keeps you full and energized. Chapter 6. Quinoa and egg bowl, a complete protein powerhouse. Quinoa is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids and is a good source of fiber, iron and magnesium. Combine cooked quinoa with your favorite veggies like leafy greens or roasted vegetables. Top it off with a perfectly cooked egg, poached, fried or scrambled. For extra flavor, drizzle some olive oil, sprinkle on herbs or add a dollop of Greek yogurt. This combination is delicious and versatile, allowing you to get creative with your toppings. So there you have it, folks. The truth about what you should never eat with eggs and some healthy alternatives. By being mindful of food pairings and opting for nutritious ingredients, you can nourish your body and reduce health risks. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it and subscribe to Health with Arshad for more health tips and delicious recipes. Until next time, take care.